Perimeter and area. Area, area, finding area, approximate area, area of a rectangle and square. Area. Mrs. Shekhar has made some badam barfi and put it into a pan. She cuts the barfi into 24 square pieces. If we say 1 unit for 1 piece of barfi, we can say that the area of pan is 24 units. Area is the amount of the surface or space that figure covers. This is a blank page. If the squares are drawn in it of side 1 centimeter, the area will be in square centimeters. Finding the area when the whole square is not covered. This is an M. Anas and Shalaka are trying to find out how much area it is covered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are full 10 squares. Now, this is half square and this is also a half square. 2 half squares make 1 full square. The total full squares are now 11. Again, this is a half square and this one is also a half. 2 half squares makes 1 full square. The total full squares are now 12. The area covered by M is 12 square units. Area of irregular shape. Kedar is drawing a leaf on a squared line paper. He has drawn the outline of the leaf as shown. We can see that some of the squares did not cover completely by the leaf. In such cases, it is not possible to find the exact area covered by this leaf. But we can estimate the approximate area covered by this leaf. Approximate means near about. Count the full squares. There are 4 full squares. Now count and estimate the partial squares. These are 16 partial squares. Some are more than half squares and some are less than half squares. We consider all are half squares. Therefore, 16 half squares means 8 full squares. Therefore, the total full squares covered by the leaf are 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 square units. There is another method to find out approximate area of the irregular shape. Count all full squares. Full squares are 4. Now count all the partial and full squares. The total squares covered by the leaf are 22. Now add 4 and 22. The addition is 26. Divide 26 by 2. We get 13. 13 square units is the approximate area covered by the leaf. Using a formula to find out the area. Area of a rectangle. Observe the following animation and relation between the length, breadth and area. This is the shape of a rectangle. 2 square units. Length is 2 unit and breadth is 1 unit. 6 square units. Length is 3 unit and breadth is 2 units. 12 square units. Length is 4 units and breadth is 3 units. What did you observe? Did you observe the area? What is the relation between length, breadth and area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is a product of length and breadth. Therefore, formula for finding the area of the rectangle is A is equal to length into breadth. Area of the square. This is the shape of a square. Observe the following animation and the length, breadth and the area. 1 square unit. Length is 1 unit and breadth is 1 unit. 4 square units. Length is 2 unit and breadth is 2 unit. 9 square units. Length is 3 unit and breadth is 3 units. Did you observe the relation between length, breadth and area of the square? Area of a square is the product of length and breadth. Sides of the square are equal. Therefore, area of the square is equal to side into side. Therefore, formula for finding the area of a square is A is equal to S into S. Summary.
In this subtopic, we learned how to find area, finding area, approximate area, area of rectangle and square.
That is all about this lesson, students. I hope you enjoyed. Keep learning.